Hi, my name is Sanskriti Sharma. I'm a student of Batch 7, currently working at Medha as a program lead. I was very young when I joined the fellowship. I was barely 20, and honestly, I did not think that I would be in the social sector. I did not choose the sector chose me. And what I do and why I do, that is being with people, understanding the ground realities, working on those wicked problems that exist in the society. I think that has been my anchor for all the work that I've done in the past 7 years. The kind of space that the program is running, it runs with ITIs across Haryana. And that's the space where a lot of not-for-profits or NGOs have not intervened yet. And there's a huge scope to improve the classroom outcomes or employability and work-based learning opportunities for students in that space. Because India is a really young country. India is one of the youngest countries in the world right now. And the industrial sector is booming in majorly a north part of India. And the kind of demand that the industries seek right now, the ITIs and the polytechnics are able to cater to that. So if we get those processes in place and get people to work for it and make that system, there is a system in place, but enable that system to do better and be more effective is where my work comes in. So I joined ISDM because I was running my startup and I really wanted support in scaling it up in not just terms of funding but also learning those skills, say management skills, to upskill to make my startup better. And I knew of ISDM since batch 1 students, couple of them were my friends. And I spoke to them, I got into the program. But now that I see, the difference that I see in myself is, initially I used to make some intervention design without any structure because I did not have any formal education about development or management before that. So I used to make program interventions, I used to put things up, align them with whatever work that I was doing back then. But after ISDM and learning the intervention design or design thinking or operations management, my frameworks have become better. The kind of inputs that I'm able to give are more concrete, more strategic. I'm able to think better. And something that has stuck with me are two things. One is the whole systems change, systems thinking module that we had with Mihir Mathur. I think that has just widened my horizons to look at things from not just linear perspective, but like in a system, how does it work? So I think that is something that I carry in my work every day, and that gives me an edge over a lot of people in my organization that, okay, this works. I think ISDM not just helps you learn things, but I think it develops you or equips you in ways that you will not in that moment recognize. All those all-nighters that we've pulled, all the PLC assignments that we've done together, sometimes it used to feel pointless and very challenging. But now in hindsight, it has just built so much resilience, patience, and the ability to go in depth in that particular problem that you're trying to solve, that I think anybody who's aspiring to be in the development sector should give it a try. So I think all in all, it's just very wholesome to be here. My journey has been a roller coaster indeed, but something that I would suggest anybody who would want to be a part of the sector for.